Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk with you today about growing vegetables on your balcony. Yes, you can grow vegetables on your screened-in balcony. Here are some tips to help you succeed. First of all, choose the right vegetables. Select vegetables that do well in containers in partial sunlight. Good options include tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, and herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, radishes, and bush beans. Shallow root system vegetables and herbs are ideal for container gardening, raised beds, or areas with poor soil depth. Here are some examples. Some vegetables include lettuce, including varieties like romaine, iceberg, leaf lettuce, spinach, radishes, beets, carrot, arugula, Swiss chard, green onions, scallions, which I have some growing already, kale, bok choy. Some herbs include basil, cilantro, chives, parsley, thyme, oregano, and mint. A little side note about mint, it can be invasive, so it's best to grow in containers, and also dill, the younger plants. These plants typically have root systems that extend no more than 6 to 12 inches deep, making them suitable for environments where deeper rooting plants may struggle. When gardening on your balcony, understand your plant hardiness zone is essential for success. I did not know this at first. A gardening zone indicates the climate and temperature conditions specific to your region, helping you determine which plants will thrive in your area. When I first started, I was just planting everything. I live in Florida, so I just assumed everything would grow. Plants have varying tolerances to heat, cold, and humidity. I'm in Florida, so knowing my zone helps me select which plants that can handle Florida's warm temperatures and humidity, ensuring that they grow well and produce vibrant results. For fruits, vegetables, and herbs, planting varieties suited to your zone ensures a higher yield. For example, heat-loving plants like tomatoes, peppers, or basil are excellent choices for a Florida balcony garden. Understanding your zone allows you to align planting schedules with the best growing seasons. In Florida, you can grow many plants year-round, but some crops like leafy greens may do better in cooler months. Use containers. Ensure you have containers that are large enough for those plants you choose. Containers should have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Use high-quality potting soil and consider adding compost or a slow-release fertilizer to provide nutrients. Containers dry out faster than garden beds, so regular watering is crucial. Ensure the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. If your balcony doesn't get enough natural light, consider using grow lights. But as you can see, my balcony is full of light. Being screened in can help reduce pests, but you should still monitor your plants for any signs of disease or pests. I like to use cinnamon or peppermint or neem oils and sprays just to protect it. For vining or tall plants like tomatoes and cucumbers, provide stakes, cages, or trellises for support. You can get them off Amazon. I found some at Home Depot, Dollar Tree. By following these guidelines, you can create a thriving vegetable garden on your in-screen balcony.